choose Yona to be my wife.
It's not possible.
Why? I love her. Oh, you know I love her, and she loves me too. You don't deny it, do you?
No.
Quiet! All of you! Yona, go inside.
Stay here.
Go inside now. Excuse us. Chip, what you have done is a very cruel thing to that poor girl. You know she cannot come with us.
She is coming with us.
You know Father's commandment. You've known it since you were a child. With the righteous hear the race of Cain, with guilt and shame is written. All concourse with them is forevermore forbidden.
Yona's been with us all our lives. You love her too.
We have no choice.
There's always a choice.
We must do as Father commands. Japheth! Ham-Shem, go after him. Oh, don't let him get too far. His will is clear. I don't want to discuss it anymore.
He's still here, Papa. He's just up on the heart.
Good. I didn't think he was that crazy.
What is it? A snake!
Hold still, everyone. I'm getting my axe. Shut it still! What is it?
It's a turtle.
Hello, little turtle.
I haven't seen one of those for...
Everyone, stand still!
Shem, don't! Put down the axe.
Papa.
Do as I say. Ham, see if you can find another turtle back there.
Yes, Papa.
Everyone!
Yeah! Another rattlesnake! Where? There!
Another turtle, Papa.
Look!
It's happening. Praise God. It's happening.
After handing the leftover salad.
Where's my list? Where's my list? Turtles, rattlesnakes, rabbits,
Hares.
hares, rabbits.
Anteaters, Papa. Your favorite. If anyone sees any ants, to prepare for the ark.
There they gathered in the meadow, 2 by 2. The world's most legendary zoo.
Children of Eden, how you must blame us. We who are human, we spoiled your home. God thanked you our charges. We made you our victims. Now that we're starting anew, can we give Eden back to you? Sleep well, my friends, for tomorrow may be an eventful day. Who's there? Yona, is that you? Come here, my girl. Where will you go? You do understand why you can't come with us, don't you?